Hi, this is Maria from Crochet A to Z, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. If you have, I want to thank you. I want to thank everyone for being here today. And today I want to show you a stitch. I want to show you the wheat stitch. It is just so pretty. It's really a nice stitch, and it's easy. Beginners to advanced, everyone in between. I think you're going to love making this stitch. It's just that simple. So let's get started. I am using an eye hook, which actually is one of my favorite hooks to use. And again, this is the wheat stitch. So this is done in multiples of 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, and then you add one more, being the turning chain. So let's get started with this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Once you chain 25, you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. And you're going to single crochet right across. So you're going to single crochet in every stitch across. I go slow. You can follow along. You can write it down, whatever makes it easy for you. So we're going to single crochet in every stitch across. And that's what it looks like. Then you're going to go to row 2. You're going to chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to single crochet again right across. And this is row 2. And you'll end up with an even amount of stitches. I want to mention that. So that's what it looks like. So now we're going to go to row 3. You're going to chain 1, and you're going to turn your work. You're going to single crochet in that first, we made that chain 1, you're going to single crochet there. After you do that, you're going to skip a stitch right here. In the next stitch, you're going to do a single crochet. Now we're going to work back to the stitch that we skipped. Into the one that we skipped, yarn over, 1, 2, and you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on your hook. You're going to go through 4. You'll have 2 left. You're going to yarn over and go through those 2. You're going to skip a stitch. You're going to put a single crochet there. Then you're going to yarn over and you're going to start again and put another one of those puff stitches. You always want to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on your hook. When you yarn over, you're going to go through 4, yarn over, go through 2. Skip, single crochet. Yarn over, go into that one that we skipped, pull up a loop, yarn over, go back in a second time, pull up a loop. You will have 5 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, go through 4, yarn over, go through 2. And we're going to do this right across. Skip, single crochet. And then we're going to do that puff stitch, if you want to call it. But this is called the wheat stitch. Skip, go in here, single crochet, go into the skipped stitch, 5 on your hook, yarn over, go through 4, yarn over, go through 2. Again, skip, single crochet, yarn over, go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, 5 on your hook, go in through 4, 2 left, yarn over, go through 2. Skip, single crochet, yarn over, you go in there twice, again, skip, single crochet, 1, 2, skip, single crochet, go into the skipped stitch, skip, single crochet, go into the skip stitch, make your special stitch, make your wheat stitch, skip, single crochet, I want you to see what it looks like right across. Then in the last stitch, you're going to put a single crochet. And that's what it looks like. So now you're going to chain 1 and you're going to turn your work. And you're going to repeat that row. So you're going to chain 1 and put a single crochet in that first stitch. You're going to skip a stitch, and in this one you're going to put a single crochet and then you're going to go in the skip stitch and make your wheat stitch. Skip, single crochet. Skip, single crochet, and right there you're going to make your stitch, your special stitch. And skip, single crochet, and we're going to do this right across. And you want to have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go through 4, yarn over, go through 2. And so you can start seeing your wheat stitches coming out just like this. You can see it taking form here. So again, skip, single crochet, go back into the skip stitch and make your special stitch. And that'll be your wheat stitch. Skip, then go back into the single crochet, the skip stitch that you did. Skip, single crochet, go back into that skipped stitch. Skip a stitch in this one, single crochet. In the skip stitch, you're going to make your special wheat stitch. And the wheat stitches do not, I just want to mention, they're not evenly together. So if you look at it and say, oh, they don't look even, that's the way it's supposed to look. So then once you do that, skip, single crochet, go back in the skipped one and do your wheat. Skip, single crochet, again, yarn over, go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, go in a second time, pull up a loop, yarn over, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go through 2, now you have, go through 4, now you have 2, go through 2. Again, skip, single crochet, then you go into your skipped stitch, so you're going to yarn over, go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, go in, pull up a loop. You have 5 on your hook, go through 4. You have 2 on your hook, go through 2. And then in this last stitch, you're going to do a single crochet. And there's your wheat stitch. Now what's going to happen is you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. And you're going to make a single crochet in every stitch across. So you want to go in every stitch and make a single crochet. And you're going to do 2 rows of that single crochet after you finish this first 2 rows of the wheat stitch. Once you do those 2 single crochet rows, then you start again doing your wheat stitch. You start your row 3 all over again. And you want to go right across, and here's all your single crochets right across. And there's what it looks like. And then you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to single crochet right across. Now a variation to this is that you can do your single crochets in the back loop only if you want. You don't have to do it in the front loop. So you can do a variation of the back loop only. I've done both. They're both very pretty. So I want to mention that, and I'm going to show you what the look of it is because I wanted to do it in both. So you make your 2 rows of double crochet, and this you would do over and over again until you are done with whatever it is you're making, a scarf, a blanket, whatever you want to make with this. This is a really, really pretty stitch. It almost looks like some type of a cable stitch. That's how, it's just so pretty. So there it is. Now I want to show you this. There it is right there. And this is when I do the back loop only single crochets. So you can do either or. It's up to you what you like. And that's what it looks like. And again, this is the wheat stitch. This is Maria from Crochet A to Z. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of the wheat stitch. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great evening. Love you all. Bye-bye.